Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. All right, before we get started, a big shout out to Venom Ram. Okay, you know, I see I'm glowing here. It's hot. Okay, I just spent the day out on the lake. Okay, I had a really good time, but big shout out to Venom Ram for the cover photo. He made that for me, and I'm super excited about that. I really appreciate it, and it made my day. All right, so me and my daughter went out on the lake, and we had a good ass time testing out our new WaveRunner VX Deluxe with the audio system. We did not use the audio system. We just we didn't need it because we were having so much fun. All right, so I showed you guys in a previous video about connecting, okay, the GoPro camera to these mounts here. All right, and so that's what we did. We connected the GoPro camera to the mounts, a GoPro 360 Max II, okay, which is an amazing camera. I'm just totally impressed with that camera, but anyways, let's get on with it, okay, and let's ride. And oh, here's another thing. I felt like I was riding a Harley Davidson because all the other people on their jet skis, Sea-Doos, Wave Runners, you know, whatever, they were waving at us. They were like waving, so I had to take my hand off of the handlebars here and wave back, right, just to be nice. All right, that was a cool deal. All right, let's ride. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Let's get some. Started. All right, let's bring you down a little bit there, pal. Stiffen you up. That's better. out for that. That right there, when we get stuff inside, it's going to break it because we're stuck out there today.